Test natin itong King Arms TWS 9mm carbine GBB light. Shoutout kay Sir Mac. So polymer yung front assembly niya, polymer din yung receiver. Magazine is 50 rounds. Nakaki-AC style na grip. Adjustable yung stock. Bumababa ba to? Bumababa. Parang may adjustment siya pababa eh. So adjustment lang yun. Lock lang. Okay, so first, yung sights, ito, polymer. Battle sights. So test natin. Price is 14,500. Available in ilang inches siguro, mga 9 inches to, no. Yung mas maikli meron ding available. So available in nasa 5 inches yata yun, no. Two-tone, itong ganitong haba 9 inches or 10 inches to. Tsaka yung two-tone na colorway. Ayan, sige, test natin. Check nyo na lang sa new arrivals namin sa Google Drive. Wasabi Shop page. Auto. Padlock. So kinulang sa gas. Okay.